Let's solve this together. It says 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 49. How do we solve this? First thing to do is to factorize 7 to the power of x. And then we have this into 1 plus 1 to be equal to 49. Okay? Now, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of x to be equal to 49. Alright? Now, 7 to the power of x now becomes equal to 49 over 2. At this point, let's take the logarithm of both sides. Now, when you have logarithm of a to the power of b, it is equal to b multiplied by logarithm of a. Hence, for this place, we'll have x multiplied by logarithm of 7 to be equal to, for this side, you have logarithm of 49 minus logarithm of 2. From here, you have x times log 7 to be equal to, logarithm of 49 can be written as logarithm of 7 squared minus logarithm of 2. You have x log 7 to be equal to, logarithm of 7 squared can be written as 2 times logarithm of 7 minus logarithm of 2. And dividing across by logarithm of 7, we now have that x will be equal to 2 times logarithm of 7 divided by logarithm of 7 minus logarithm of 2 divided by logarithm of 7. Hence, we now have that x is equal to 2 minus logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 7 can be written as logarithm of 2 in base 7. And this becomes the final answer to the given equation.